Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming core prerequisites so the search works. First, make sure the controller and drone batteries are above 30% so you can fly or receive telemetry. Once done, open the manufacturer app and pull the last known GPS coordinates, because that gives you a precise starting point. Next, enable any remote alarm or beacon in the app and switch the map to satellite view so you can recognize terrain features. These steps save time and focus your search immediately. You now use telemetry and mapping to narrow the area. Pull live telemetry, speed, altitude, heading, and signal strength, because each parameter tells you where it last reported and how far the radio reached. Once you have that, export the flight log or view the controller breadcrumb trail to reconstruct the final path. This fills gaps GPS snapshots miss. Then walk to 2 or 3 different vantage points and note signal strength changes to triangulate a tighter search zone before you finish by executing recovery and preparing for failure modes. Conduct a slow foot search along the breadcrumb path, listening for the alarm and scanning visually. If safe, fly the controller or a second drone in a low-altitude grid to visually confirm location. If the drone supports waypoint return, fly to the saved home coordinate and hover to trigger the beacon. If the signal is completely gone, go to the last known coordinates and use a compass. If you still can't find it, contact local authorities or the manufacturer with the flight log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.